Hello everybody, welcome back to Hưng Nguyệt channel. Okay, as you know, my Simpson it has been broken its ignition system for a long time, and with the support from the German people, so now I have two ignition systems here. Here is the ignition system of the package from the Simpson fan communities, and this is the ignition system of the Rivage package from Marcel. Yeah. And so now I have two choices. Okay, so after the discussion, my uncle and I decide to use this ignition system. So why? Okay, I will answer that. To be honest, this ignition system is very expensive, more expensive than this. So if we have a mistake during the installation, so it may be damaged. Yeah, so now we will try our luck with this ignition system first. Yeah, so let's do this. Let's go. Steuerteil. Oh, phần kiểm soát.
Oh my god! Wow!
Oh, okay. Oh, ác quy.
Ghê vậy?
Dạ.
Cổ này cứng luôn.
Cứng luôn nè đó. Không, dạ.
Thousand years later.
đúng rồi. Đó. Okay, everybody, so after 3 days, my uncle and I, with the support of the men from Đồng Nai province, so we finished to fix the ignition system of my Simpson. So let's see, I will show you now. So now let's see what we have done. Okay, let's go. The first here is the turning signal control, but it's the Honda turning signal control. Yes, but it's work very well. Yeah, so we keep it. And next is the ignition control, but you can see this is the Vietnamese ignition control, where we had to replace this with the German ignition control, because in this video you can see this worked not well, so we had to replace this with the Vietnamese ignition control. Yeah, but it's very well. Yeah, okay. Here. Yeah, we just use this such plan here. Okay, so now look at the other side. Let's go. Okay, and here This side we have yeah, the key ignition, yeah, here. Okay, well, take, okay. There are a lot of lights here. Oh my god, yeah. And this is the battery. And this is okay, how to say it, okay, here, the ladder and lagger, yeah, it means the loading system. Okay, I still use the Honda loading system. It works very well, so we still keep it. Okay, okay, that's all. And the ignition coil, we have two tyres of this here and here, but we use this because this ignition coil works better than this, yeah. Okay, that's all. Oh, I guess I forget something here. Okay, okay. Okay, very nice. Yeah. Ooh, wow. Okay, everything is completed. Okay, now I will show you all the functions. Okay, the turning lights. Okay, cameraman, just go around. Okay, let's get started. And besides, it also has the light for the emergency situation. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay, so everything are completed. So I just want to say thank you for all of your helps and all of your support. And about this ignition systems. Okay, I will use it to backup in the future. Yeah, it's very beautiful, right? Okay, and so this video will be end here, and I just want to say goodbye and have einen guten Tag. Okay, auf Wiedersehen.